You've probably been told all your life that to win a woman's heart, you just need to be a good guy. Show her how much you care. Be there for her at all times. Give her everything without holding back. And you've tried that, haven't you? You've gone out of your way, bent over backwards, made her life easier, only to feel her drifting further away. She takes longer to reply. She's suddenly busy. And the worst part, you start blaming yourself, thinking maybe you're just not enough. But here's the reality no one told you. It's not about being enough. It's about being different. And most men are unknowingly doing the same things that kill attraction from the very start. Today, I'm going to give you a completely different way of looking at this, a way that flips the script and naturally makes her curious about you, drawn to you, and even chasing you. Not because you played a game, but because you became someone she can't ignore. Let's start. Point 1. Stop filling all the silence. Most men think silence is dangerous, that if they don't keep the conversation flowing, she'll lose interest. So they talk more, text more, over-explain, overshare, until they've given her their whole life story in 2 days. Here's the thing, silence is not the enemy. Silence is the seasoning. It's what gives moments weight. It's what lets her miss you. A man who's comfortable with silence shows he's not desperate to be liked. He doesn't rush to fill every gap because he knows he's interesting enough without constant validation. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can say is nothing. Point 2. Build a life she can step into. Attraction isn't built by constantly showing up in her world. It's built by creating a world of your own, one so compelling she wants to step inside. Most men orbit around her life, her schedule, her plans, her mood, but a man with his own vision, his own goals, and his own rhythm naturally flips that. He's not trying to fit into her calendar. She's figuring out how to fit into his. It's not about shutting her out. It's about making sure your life is already full of purpose before she arrives. So when she does, she knows she's joining something special. Point 3. Let her earn pieces of you. Too many men hand over every part of themselves too quickly. Their time, their attention, their vulnerability. And while openness is powerful, giving it too soon makes it feel cheap. Instead, let her earn deeper parts of you. Not as a test, but as a natural process of trust. Just like you wouldn't hand a stranger the keys to your house, don't hand a new person the keys to your emotional world on day one. When she feels she's unlocking new layers of you over time, each step becomes more meaningful, and she becomes invested in earning the next one. Point 4. Make her wonder what you're doing. You don't have to post fake stories or play "look how exciting I am" games, but your life should have enough depth, passion, and unpredictability that she can't predict your every move. If every day looks the same and she knows exactly when you'll text and what you'll say, the mystery is gone. Do things for you that she might never even see. Learn something new. Explore a hobby. Go somewhere unexpected. When you live that way, she can't help but wonder, what's he up to right now? And that curiosity is the root of obsession. Point 5. Hold your frame when she tests you. Every woman will test you, even unconsciously. She'll tease you, challenge you, push to see if you bend. Not because she wants to ruin you, but because she wants to see if you're solid. Most men fold instantly to keep the peace or avoid conflict. But when you hold your frame, when you stay calm, grounded, and secure in who you are, something changes. She realizes you're not easily shaken, and that steadiness is rare. It tells her you're not just another man chasing approval. You're a man with his own center of gravity. Point 6. Be unavailable for drama. Many men get pulled into endless emotional loops, arguments, overanalysis, rehashing old issues. They think being supportive means engaging with every ounce of drama. But the truth? A man who protects his peace is far more attractive than one who gets pulled into every storm. When you show that your time and energy are for meaningful connection, not constant chaos, you create an environment where she has to rise up to be part of it, and that shift changes everything. Point 7. Always be moving forward. The most magnetic men aren't just confident, they're in motion. They're learning, building, improving, exploring. Stagnation kills attraction because it signals that you've stopped growing. But when you're constantly leveling up, not for her, but for yourself, you give her a reason to stay curious. She's not just dating who you are now, She's excited about who you're becoming, and that anticipation keeps her invested. Attraction isn't about chasing her down until she says yes. It's about becoming the man she doesn't want to lose. When you create silence, build a life she wants to join. Let her earn deeper parts of you. Live unpredictably. Hold your frame. Stay out of drama and keep moving forward. You stop being the one doing all the chasing. Because here's the truth. A woman's interest isn't won through pressure. It's sustained through curiosity, respect, and the feeling that she's with a man who's already complete. Be that man, and you won't need to ask her to stay. She'll fight to keep you.